Hey there folks. Today we're gonna talk about artificial intelligence and machine learning. These two buzzwords are all the rage in the tech world and they're changing the game. But what exactly are they? And how are they changing our lives? Well, buckle up and let's find out. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like a robot brain, but instead of having circuits and wires, it's got algorithms and code. It's all about making machines that can think and act like us humans. And who wouldn't want their very own robot servant? Types of AI. There are a few different types of AI. Let's take a look. Reactive machines. Reactive machines are the most basic form of AI and can only respond to current situations, without being able to remember past events. These machines don't have any memory and don't learn from their experiences. For example, a simple traffic light is a reactive machine as it only changes its light based on the current traffic signal, without any memory of the previous signals. Limited memory. Limited memory machines are a step up from reactive machines and have some basic memory. They can use past experiences to improve their current actions, but can't recall experiences from long ago. For example, a self-driving car that remembers the road it has traveled on and uses that information to improve its driving, but forgets about the roads it hasn't been on for a long time. Theory of mind. Theory of mind machines take AI to the next level by being able to understand and anticipate the emotions, thoughts, and beliefs of others. These machines can recognize patterns in human behavior and respond accordingly. For example, a customer service chatbot that can understand a customer's frustration and respond empathetically to resolve their issue. Self-aware. Self-aware machines are the ultimate goal of AI, where the machines become aware of their own existence and consciousness. They can make decisions and take actions based on their understanding of the world and their own goals. Although still in the realm of science fiction, self-aware machines have the potential to change the world in profound ways. However, there are also concerns about the ethical implications of creating machines with consciousness. These four types of AI give us a glimpse of the different stages of AI development, from simple reactive machines to more complex self-aware machines. And who knows what the future of AI holds? It's an exciting time to be alive. What is machine learning? Machine learning is like giving robots a tutor. It's all about teaching them how to learn and improve on their own. It uses algorithms and models to help robots make sense of data and make predictions. And who doesn't love a good prediction? Types of machine learning. There are a few types of machine learning. Let's break it down. Supervised learning. Supervised learning is the most common type of machine learning, where the algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset. It's like having a teacher who gives you the answers and explains how to solve the problem. The algorithm is fed a set of inputs and corresponding outputs, and it learns to map the inputs to the outputs. For example, you might use supervised learning to classify emails as spam or not spam based on their content. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is the opposite of supervised learning, where the algorithm is given an unlabeled dataset and has to find patterns and relationships on its own. It's like playing detective and trying to uncover hidden information. For example, you might use unsupervised learning to group customers based on their purchasing habits. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is where the algorithm is trained through trial and error. It's like giving a dog a treat for good behavior and a scold for bad behavior. The algorithm receives feedback in the form of rewards and penalties, and it learns to make decisions that lead to the greatest reward. For example, you might use reinforcement learning to train a robot to navigate a maze by rewarding it for reaching the end and penalizing it for hitting a wall. Each type of machine learning has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of which one to use depends on the problem you're trying to solve and the type of data you have available. By understanding these different types of machine learning, you'll be better equipped to choose the right approach for your project. Healthcare. AI and machine learning are revolutionizing the healthcare industry. They're being used to analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRI scans, to help doctors diagnose diseases. They're also being used to analyze vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and make predictions about diseases. This can help medical professionals make better informed decisions and provide better care to patients. Finance. AI and machine learning are transforming the finance industry. They're being used to analyze financial data, such as stock prices and market trends, to make predictions about the stock market. This helps investment professionals make better investment decisions and can lead to higher returns for investors. Retail. AI and machine learning are changing the way we shop. They're being used to personalize the shopping experience for customers. For example, online retailers can use AI to make recommendations based on a customer's previous purchases and browsing history. This can help retailers build stronger relationships with customers and increase sales. Transportation. AI and machine learning are improving the transportation industry. They're being used to develop autonomous vehicles, which can reduce the number of accidents on the road. They're also being used to improve traffic flow, which can reduce congestion and make our commutes faster and more efficient. These are just a few examples of the many ways AI and machine learning are transforming our lives and changing the world for the better. It's an exciting time to be alive, and we can expect to see even more amazing developments in the future. Challenges and limitations. As exciting as AI and machine learning are, there are also some important challenges and limitations to keep in mind. Bias and fairness. One of the biggest challenges with AI is that it can sometimes perpetuate and amplify existing biases in the data it's trained on. For example, facial recognition systems have been shown to have biases against certain ethnic groups. To address this issue, it's important to ensure that the data used to train AI systems is diverse and free from biases. Privacy. Another challenge with AI is privacy. As robots get better at processing and analyzing data, they also have the potential to access sensitive information about individuals. This raises important questions about how this data should be collected, stored, and used, and it highlights the need for strong privacy regulations. Explainability. One of the biggest limitations of AI is that it can be difficult to understand how it makes its decisions. This is especially true for more advanced AI systems that use complex algorithms and models. This lack of transparency can lead to distrust in the technology, and it highlights the need for better ways to explain how AI systems are making their decisions. Regulation. There's also a need for regulation around the use of AI and machine learning, especially as it becomes more widespread and integrated into our lives. This includes regulations around privacy, bias, and the ethical use of AI. Conclusion. In conclusion, while AI and machine learning have the potential to revolutionize the world and bring many benefits, it's important to be aware of the challenges and limitations, and to work towards addressing them in a responsible and ethical manner.